Hello everyone, did you click this video because you are looking for ideas for your next presentation, audition, for have fun, or even to create your own choreography? Well, that's great because today I got the best video for you. It's gonna be fun, exciting, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to begin from the diagonal back classical pose, facing the right diagonal, right leg on the back. And with the music, arms are going to be in brava, and we are going to do 5, 6, allonge, 7, 8. Balance, 1, 2, 3, balance, 2, 2, 3, piqué arabesque, demi-plié, piqué to the back, left leg in front, demi-plié, grand fouetté, that ends on arabesque, demi-plié. Let me show you this step again. From arabesque, demi-plié, we are in first arabesque, piqué, left leg in front, demi-plié, left leg, battement tendu in front. Arms are going to do brava, first, fifth, and we are going to do fourth arabesque. So we are going to do leg up, second position, fourth arabesque, that ends in demi-plié. One more time from the beginning, a little bit faster now. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, piqué arabesque, 1, 2, and grand fouetté, demi-plié. We are going to do pas de bourrée, arms in fifth position, open, step, step to the right, arm open to the left, and we are going to do balances sideways, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, demi-plié, failli, that ends in battement tendu to the back. From here, we are going to do battement tendu in front, arms in third position, left arm in first position, right arm on second position. Demi-plié coupé. Pas de bourrée, plié. Pas de bourrée, plié. Pas de bourrée tournant, that change with one left leg in front. From this position, we are going to do petit développé to the side with left leg, petit in front with right leg, and we prepare for tombe. Fourth position, simple pirouette, that ends in fourth position. One more time. Step, petit développé, battement tendu in front, demi-plié. Step, my right leg is going to open to the side. Step relevé in front of us, fourth position, and my right leg go passe, that ends in demi-plié. One stretch in fourth position relevé to find your body weight, transfer correctly, demi-plié, simple pirouette, and ends in a long position. From this pirouette, we are going to do pas de bourrée to the back, arrive to the center, pas de bourrée that change, right leg in front. We are going to do petit développé to the left diagonal, pose. Everything from the beginning a little bit faster and yet without music. Classical pose, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Piqué arabesque, demi-plié, grand fouetté, ends on arabesque, pas de bourrée. 6, 7, 8. Step to the right, open to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, failli. We're going to do tombe, pas de bourrée, tombe, pas de bourrée, tombe, alternant, left leg in front, petit développé, battement tendu, prepare, tombe alternant, fourth position, relevé, demi-plié, one pirouette, fourth position long, and pas de bourrée to the back. 5, 6, 7, and we are going to turn, change, change, and facing with right leg in front, left diagonal, pose. Okay, so now let's do it with music. Classical pose. So far, this is my favorite short ballet choreography that I have done. I love the music. I will leave the link for the music down below for you guys so you can download for free. For more videos like this ones, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of link for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.